Instead of just using AI, we're actually making AI. We actually started training this neural network model. It's a convolutional neural network trained on EEG spectrograms with and without seizures. So there's a slowing of spikes during seizure. There's supposedly some slowing activity before a seizure actually happens. But yeah, we'll need a different data set for that, because this one only includes during seizure a frequency response spectrogram. The other thing about it is only selecting one channel from multiple channel recordings. And over here, so you can slide through the original data and you can look at essentially the different runs of the training and what the results we were getting. First run, we got up to 81%. So we have accuracy and loss plot. What happens with the other eye? Yeah, I have to keep adjusting the threshold there for it to work. Then it kind of stops finding the pupil again.